Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to increase Coinbase limit. So in this video I'm going to walk you through a step-by-step guide on how you can simply increase your Coinbase limit. So let's get started. So the first step is to open your Coinbase app or visit the website. If you're on the desktop version, just go to coinbase.com, then you have access to the Coinbase website, then sign in with your email and password. Then from there, tap on the profile icon at the top left corner on the mobile. Then if it is on the website, just click on your profile icon on the website, then select from the menu. Then select settings from the menu. Then after that, in settings, go to account limit or limit and features. Then tap your current limit by buying, selling and withdrawing. Then after that, ensure your identity verification is fully completed. Verify your email address and phone number, and also submit a valid government ID, which is passport, your driver's license or your ID card. Then provide additional personal details if it is required. Then after that, you can also link a bank account, a credit/debit card if you want, or a PayPal if available. Then you can also verify payment method, and verify the payment method can also help you increase your limit. And after that, to increase account activities, you have to make a regular transaction like buying, selling and withdrawing. You can also build a consistent transaction history on your account. And also, if your limit is still low after all of this, you have to contact the Coinbase support. Then use the help center in the app or on the website to reach to the Coinbase customer support. So explain your need to increase the limit and provide any required document by them. And here's the most important note about this: higher limits may vary by country and compliance with local regulation. So ensure your account is in good standing with no security issue. So once all of this is taken care of, then you have no problem with increasing your Coinbase limit, and that's how you can simply increase your Coinbase limit. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.